Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to install and configure Docker on Windows 10 successfully. You must run Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education 64-bit build 16299 or newer. Enable hardware virtualization in BIOS and assign at least 4 GB RAM to VMs before installing Docker. Install Windows Subsystem for Linux version 2, WSL2, before installing Docker Desktop on Windows. Download the WSL2 Linux kernel update package, install it, and reboot your computer immediately. After reboot, enable Virtual Machine Platform and Microsoft Hyper-V optional feature. Download Docker Desktop for Windows and run the installer as an administrator. During setup, choose the WSL2 backend and check the box to enable WSL2 integration. The installer will prompt to enable required features such as Hyper-V and Virtual Machine Platform, accept and continue. After installation completes, launch Docker Desktop and allow it to initialize the daemon and services. From Settings, enable integration with your preferred WSL2 Linux distro and allocate resources as needed. Sign in with a Docker ID or skip sign-in and enable Docker to auto-start with Windows. Start by opening a WSL2 shell or PowerShell and run Docker version to confirm installation. Use Docker run to start containers, Docker PS to list running containers, and Docker images to view available images. Persist data by mounting volumes with Docker run vhost path, container path, and bind ports with phost port, container port. Use Docker Compose with a Docker Compose YAML file to orchestrate multi-container applications and scale services. Adjust CPU, memory, and disk limits in Docker Desktop settings to improve performance. If networking or WSL2 integration fails, restart Docker Desktop and reboot WSL with WSL shutdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.